Today I'm going to show you how to extend the life of your RV's roof and also protect it against sun, rain, wind, ice, and snow.
And you can do it yourself. Today's roof maintenance project. You always want to keep your RV's roof maintained. That'll save you a bunch of money later, and prevent leaks is the way to go. So we've got another old RV. If you saw a year ago, we did a lot of this to original Rosie's roof, but now we've got Rosie 2. And as we're getting ready to hit the road, we've got to do all of the roof maintenance to prevent problems later. Step 1 today is to clean around all of the things that have been added to this roof line and then put the Eternabond tape down. The next step Jamie's going to do today is to clean the whole roof. And the final step today will be putting down the Dicor if the weather holds out. Right now, Jamie's applying the Eternabond tape. First, he has to clean where he's going to put it, and then he's going to put the tape down. Now, this is an old satellite dome, right?
Yeah.
We're not removing it because it's not hurting anything. We won't need that space on the roof where we're going to put the solar panels down. But to remove these things is a huge project, so that'll probably happen at a later date if we decide we need the space for something else. Fresh Eternabond tape was put down over this skylight, over this bathroom vent, over this vent, okay, over the fantastic fan all around the edges of that. This vent, that's the refrigerator vent. Not sure if he's going to put anything around that. Are you going to put anything around that?
Well, I got to take the top off.
He's got to take the top off first to do that one. And then he'll seal around it again. Our 117-degree temperature broke today. That's why we decided to do this. So today it's supposed to be 109. But the reason it's cooling down is there's a possibility of monsoon storms, which also means it's the very first day of being humid. So those of you in the south and in the east that complain about humidity, it's 109 today and humid. Think about that.
Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cleaning the roof, getting all the dirt off of there. I'm just going to be using water and a scrub brush. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. One thing when you're doing that, when you're doing anything on this project, like when I apply the new roof coating, you want to work from the front to the back. Because if you work your back to the front, then how do you get off the roof? So I'm going to be working from front to back. So I'm going to clean it up real quick. We'll let it dry, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply that new roof coating. The next step in the process of redoing the roof, resealing the roof, is we're going to apply this product. It's from Henry. It's called Tropi-Cool, and I've done a lot of research on it. It says it's safe for TPO roof, which is what I have. It's also good for EPDM roofs, PVC roofs, so it's pretty universal. They use it for commercial purposes, and then they also use it for RVs and mobile homes and stuff like that. So it's a really good product. The other thing is, it says it's rain safe within 15 minutes. So if you apply it and then 15 minutes later it rains, you should be okay. It gives you a lifetime warranty with one coat. I'm going to be applying 2 coats. The other thing that I purchased, this kit here, it was 15 bucks. This stuff is not water cleanup, so you have to use mineral spirits, and I don't want to really deal with that. So I paid $15, bought this. It includes the roller covers, 9-inch, and then also a 2.5-inch roller with the roller cover, and then a 2-inch paintbrush, a paint tray, and also a paint liner, so you can use it twice. And then the other thing I got was this little bucket here and another paintbrush, because Linda's going to be helping me.
Okay, so right now you're putting on the first coat.
Yeah. So what I'm doing right now is I'm cutting in on the sides here, so I get a nice clean edge, because I can't really do that with a roller, so I'm doing it with the paintbrush. So I'm going to do that all the way down both sides, and then all around all of the stuff where I sealed with the Eternabond, we're going to cut in there as well. And then the major large areas we're going to roll with the roller. And that's, you know, just like painting a wall, it's going to be the same type process. So we're going to do 1 coat, we're going to let that set up, and then we'll do a 2nd coat, and that'll complete the process.
I don't know how many months since it's rained in Arizona, like months and months since it's rained down here. It rained a tiny bit up in the mountains, but this is officially monsoon season, but they call it the non-soon season now. We've had last year 2 rainstorms the whole summer. So we're doing this project today on the roof. And how many hours does it have to set up before it rains? 4?
No, it says
30
rain
minutes?
safe within 15 minutes.
Rain safe within 15 minutes. Today we're doing this project, and today there's a chance of rain. So now we've got crap flying around with the wind because we're trying to paint the roof of the RV. Down the middle of your nose.
Oh well.
Looks like your glasses are fogged up. Is there anywhere where there isn't paint?
Yeah. Inside the motorhome.
Yeah. Whoa. Am I going to record you killing yourself right now?
Sure.
Oh my God, you're making me so nervous. Jamie,
What?
you're making me so nervous. You're literally on the corner with your feet hanging off. So I had to quit after a short time because I got overheated. That was a couple hours ago. It's gotten cloudier since then, but he seems to have control over the whole thing, so I don't think he really needs my help right now.
got it onto the flat part of this concrete.
Yes.
There. Alright. That's it. This is day 2 of applying Tropi-Cool on top of my roof. First coat went down really nice. Actually had a day of rain in between when I did the first coat, which was 2 days ago, and then today. Yesterday it was raining, so I didn't get a chance to apply the second coat. Go figure. We haven't had rain in forever here in Arizona, and the day that I decided to do this, the following day when I go to do the second coat, it decided to rain. And it wasn't a continuous rain. It would rain, and then for about 15 minutes or so, stop raining, and then about an hour and a half later, it started raining again. So I can never actually get up here and finish the second coat. So today, it's only 100 degrees today, so not too bad. So I'm going to get that second coat down, and we're going to get this all completed, and then let you know what I think of it. Like I said, when I did the first coat, and then I came up here after it had rained, it beat it up real nicely. And then I came up here this morning and wiped it all down because the rain left a bunch of dirt on top of the roof. So I removed all of that for the second coat, so we get a nice, it adheres really nicely in the second coat. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now and get this completed so that we can have this all wrapped up. Here's a recap of the steps it took to complete this project. Step 1, clean the areas where I wanted to apply Eternabond tape. Step 2, apply Eternabond tape. Step 3, apply Dicor lap sealant wherever it was needed. Step 4, clean the entire roof. Finally, step 5, apply Tropi-Cool roof coating. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're new to our channel, make sure and hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you'll be notified each time we upload a new video, and make sure to leave a comment so you can be part of the conversation. Until next time, see ya.